friends, this is Shweta welcoming all of you once again to Yuva Bharat's Admission Special Series 2008, which helps you shape up your career. In today's episode, we will discuss about arts and humanity careers and courses. And to discuss this, we have with us in our studio our expert for today, Mugdha Shete, Counselor, Growth Center, Mumbai. Well, hi Mugdha, welcome once again to our show.
Hi Shweta.
My first question to you would be regarding this arts and humanities is that what are the options available in humanities after class 12?
Well Shweta, before I begin to answer this question, I'd like to thank Yuva Bharat team for choosing such a fantastic area, because all the channels prefer media is in media also you have medical, you have engineering, pharmacy, everybody speaks about all this mainly.
I think this is a stream which gets overshadowed by all of them.
Definitely, and when even from everyone's perspective, arts is always given the last preference.
True.
So I'm really thankful to you, at least you have chosen such a fantastic topic. Now coming to what are the various options one can get into when you're talking at arts, BA, when you're talking at Bachelor's of Arts, when you're talking, it's a 3-year course and it will get specializations at the 3rd year. Now when we are talking about the specializations, there are various specializations. You have archaeology, you have anthropology, psychology, economics, sociology, political science, you have logic, you have sociology, then you have philosophy. So these are the various specializations. Sometimes you get social work also as a specialization. So these are the various options, if you're looking at specialization, one needs to understand you have the option of doing part majors also and full majors also. Now when we talk about part majors, you take 2 subjects and do 3 papers in those subjects. For example, one can take psychology along with sociology. So one can do 3 papers in psychology and 3 papers in sociology. So that is regarded as part majors. And when you're saying full majors, I'm taking a particular subject and doing 6 subjects in that particular paper only.
That's what honors stream you mean to
definitely.
say, yeah.
If psychology is a major specialization of mine, I'll be studying the different areas of psychology and appearing for the 6 papers in it. But one more thing I like to add on over here, when we are talking about part majors, one needs to understand that you cannot take psychology at part majors if you're looking at MA in psychology. In future, if you want to do your MA in psychology, do not ever take part majors, then you won't be in a position to apply for masters. Because when you talk part majors, you're not allowed for the practical paper, that is the main subject of psychology. So one needs to understand the selection procedure needs to be really very crucial. So these were the various areas of specialization that one can get into. Again, when we talk about the specialization, your theory becomes very strong. So when you are in the graduation level, one needs to understand this is my base for my further higher studies. So my theory needs to be perfectly good, because until and unless I understand the concepts very strongly, I won't be in a position to apply them in the market. So whichever specialization I'm studying, I need to understand the A to Z of it, so that my future will be bright.
And what are the most chosen subjects in humanities and arts?
Well, talking about the most chosen subjects, it more depends on the individual's liking and interest in that particular subject. But after speaking to many students, what we have come to know is it's more of economics or sociology, and followed by psychology and even logic. Along with that,
I think English is one of them.
Yeah, even languages, that's what I was adding upon, is languages. You have Indian language also along with foreign languages. So you can do your specializations in any of them. So definitely there are various specializations also that you get at the bachelor's level.
Well.